nursery, pre-nursery, moving up ceremony of Holy Child Catholic School.
Name of the Father, to the Son, and His Spirit.
God, our loving Father, bless these medals and certificates in school year 2025-2026. Congratulations!
Bella Rosé Robles, St. Joseph Cupertino Award and Academic Excellence Award.
Dear various parents, classmates, teachers, thank you for celebrating this special milestone with us. To God be all the glory.
In behalf of the Holy Child community, I am deeply grateful to you, my dear parents, for considering Holy Child Catholic School. And of course, my dear kindergarten pupils, see you next year, this school year, as grade 1 pupils. Palakpakan po natin sila.